Upon clicking install, you will find that the software will begin installation. If you would like to see more details about the program installations, you may click on show details. Please be a bit patient during this installation process as it will take some time to complete successfully. Upon waiting a few minutes for the installation, you will be presented with the installation complete screen, which will reassure you that the entire software installation was successful. You will be presented with the screen seen on the next slide. Click Next. Proceed to click Next. Upon doing so, you will be presented with the screen on the next slide. The above image depicts the last screen that you will see for the installation wizard. Provided in this screen are additional resources that you may use to assist you in learning and becoming familiar with the programming software. You may select the checkboxes according to your preferences. Opening the Anaconda Navigator application. After making a successful installation of the Anaconda software, attempt to open the application via your search bar in the Windows environment. Head to your Windows search bar, type Anaconda and open Anaconda Navigator, Conda 3. I recommend that you also select the option Pin to Taskbar. This will make it easier for you to locate the application. Upon opening the Anaconda Navigator, you will be presented with the following screen. Feel free to experiment with the various other software applications that are available for use within the Conda environment. Scroll as necessary to view the Spider IDE and click Launch. Please be patient while the software loads as it will take some time to do so. Spider IDE is a powerful IDE that requires quite a bit of computer resources to function effectively. I will be running the application on an Acer i3 machine. When Spider has finished loading, you will be presented with the following screen. Click OK. Next, you will see this screen. On the Welcome to Spider screen, feel free to take a tour of the IDE in order to obtain a higher level of insight into the software features. We will explore a few of the important features during our journey with Python. Click the Start Tour button or click Dismiss. If you would like to add Spider IDE to your taskbar, simply navigate to your Windows search bar, type Spider and select Pin to Taskbar. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to install the Anaconda distribution successfully. In the next tutorial, we shall begin our coding in Python and look at learning the fundamentals of the Python programming language. Thank you.